Welcome back, seekers of fortune. If you're watching this video, chances are you have asked yourself the same question. Why haven't I won the lottery yet? Well, get ready, because today we are diving deep into the intriguing world of lotteries and unraveling the fascinating reasons behind your elusive triumph. You see, the allure of winning the lottery and instantaneously transforming your life is undeniable. The dreams of financial freedom, luxurious vacations, and fulfilling all your heart's desires fill our thoughts and ignite our imagination. Yet, for many of us, that winning ticket remains just out of reach. But fear not. In this video, we will explore the surprising factors that may have led to your lottery shortcomings. We'll dissect the myths, debunk the misconceptions, and reveal the hidden truths that could finally tip the odds in your favor. So get ready to embark on a fascinating journey of self-discovery and enlightenment. We'll explore the psychological and practical factors that may have been holding you back and provide you with practical tips and techniques to enhance your chances of knocking on that elusive jackpot's door. So, if you're tired of waiting for the lottery gods to smile upon you, if you hunger for true insight and actionable strategies that can revolutionize your lottery journey, then this video is tailor-made for you. Get ready to uncover the secrets, unravel the mysteries, and equip yourself with the knowledge you need to turn your lottery dreams into a thriving reality. If you are new here, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos on manifestation. Alright, let's get started. You see, while the law of attraction can indeed be used to manifest extraordinary outcomes, such as a lottery jackpot win, it is important to recognize that the event may not have made its way into your primitive mind just yet. Our primitive mind processes the information we receive from our surroundings, and until it detects the potential of winning the lottery, it may not fully align with your desires. It is crucial to approach manifestations, especially in the realm of lotteries, without desperation. Desperation can create an energetic imbalance, hindering the manifestation process. Instead, we encourage you to shift your mindset and make the lottery want you more than you want it. By empowering yourself as the power holder, you align with the energies necessary for a successful manifestation. Now, let's explore another interesting aspect: understanding how reality works in terms of time and space. By investigating the depths of true reality and accessing the full spectrum of available light, you can tap into the infinite potential for successful manifestations. Remember, in the realm of the law of attraction, time and space are malleable, and your conscious intention can reshape the probabilities of your reality. Winning becomes easier when we shift our perspective and view losing lottery tickets as mere delays that haven't occurred yet in the vast dimensions of space and time. Each ticket carries the potential for success, and by maintaining a positive outlook and unwavering optimism, we align ourselves with the timeline where we have already emerged victorious. So, as you hold that lottery ticket in your hand, remember to look at it through the lens of optimism. Recognize that somewhere along the timeline, an occasion exists where you have already won. By infusing your energy and belief into this perspective, you accelerate the manifestation process and draw closer to your desired outcome. Believe in the power of the law of attraction, embrace the understanding of your primitive mind, and unlock the secrets of time and space. While manifesting winning a lottery, one must have a detached mindset. The first step in adopting a detached mindset is to change our mentality from needing to simply making winning the lottery an option. By detaching ourselves from the outcome, we alleviate any desperation or attachment, allowing the energies to flow freely and effortlessly. When we remove the sense of need, we create a space for manifestation without resistance. It is essential to understand that if you don't win the lottery, it does not equate to failure. Winning the lottery is just one possibility among many in the vast realm of wealth manifestation. Remember, this journey is not solely about a specific outcome, but rather about aligning with abundance in all its forms, whether it be financial prosperity, opportunities, or personal growth. Instead of sending out signals of desperation, let's shift our focus to energy transference and counterintuitive signaling when desiring something, such as winning the lottery. When we become aware of the energy we are emanating, we can consciously choose to project vibrations of confidence, trust, and gratitude, rather than desperation. Trusting the universe's timing and having faith in the manifestation process will attract the desired outcome. An intriguing concept to consider is that the lottery itself possesses its own consciousness. By understanding this, we can adopt a mindset where we chase the lottery rather than feeling like we are desperately chasing after it. This shift in perspective empowers us to take inspired actions, such as strategically selecting numbers, employing manifestation techniques, and engaging positively with the energy of the lottery. Let us not forget that abundance is already inherent in the universe. By acknowledging our connection to this vast source of wealth manifestation, we can find solace and contentment in being part of the cosmic flow. Embrace the belief that as you align with abundance and tap into the universal consciousness, the lottery becomes just one tool among many for manifesting wealth. So friends, the first principle we delve into is the art of focusing on creating a situation where abundance is drawn to you, rather than tirelessly chasing after it. When we shift our perspective and align ourselves with the energy of abundance, we become magnetic to its manifestations. By relinquishing the act of chasing and instead creating an environment that naturally attracts abundance, we allow the universe to work its magic. Now, let's explore the concept of the leader position when it comes to manifesting abundance. Being in the leader position means seizing the upper hand and power in this process of manifestation. By assuming this role, we take charge of our thoughts, emotions, and actions, steering them towards aligning with abundance and creating circumstances where prosperity effortlessly flows into our lives. It is crucial to recognize that the law of energy exchange applies not only to manifesting financial abundance, but also to all areas of life, such as relationships, wealth, and prosperity. This universal law stipulates that whatever energy we put out into the world, whether positive or negative, will be reciprocated in kind. By understanding this fundamental principle, we can consciously channel our thoughts, emotions, and actions to align with the energies we wish to attract. By delving deeper into the understanding of energy information and how to use it correctly, we unlock the potential for using this exchange to our advantage. When we tap into the vast repertoire of energy information, we gain insight into the underlying dynamics of the universe. Armed with this understanding, we can harness the power of energy exchange to benefit ourselves and manifest abundance in all its forms. Imagine the possibilities that arise when we begin utilizing energy information correctly. We can direct our focus, intentions, and actions towards attracting abundance, prosperity, and success on our individual paths. Through intentional alignment with the energies of abundance, we create a harmonious exchange that propels us towards our goals and dreams. As we conclude our exploration, it's essential to think outside the box and expand our perspectives. While the lottery may be a popular avenue for wealth manifestation, don't limit yourself solely to it. Allow your imagination to soar and explore alternative means by which your desires can come true. Open up to new possibilities, innovative ideas, and diverse avenues that align with your intentions. You are a magnet for abundance, and the universe is ready to shower you with its blessings. By embracing detached and non-desperate strategies, you unlock the keys to manifesting wealth beyond imagination. The universe is abundant and waiting to shower you with its blessings. It's time to embrace your power and manifest your dreams. Thanks for watching this video till the end. May God bless you in your manifestation journey.